Building passive income in Kenya is a powerful way to change your financial life, especially if you are starting with little money and limited resources. Many people believe that you must be rich to invest or to earn money without working every day, but that is not true. Passive income is simply money that continues to come in after you have done the initial work. It may take time, effort, and patience to set up, but once it starts working, it can support you in ways that a regular job cannot. In Kenya today, more people are turning to passive income because the cost of living is rising, jobs are not always stable, and financial freedom is becoming more important than ever. When you begin your journey into passive income, the first thing you must understand is that there is no magic or shortcut. Many beginners make the mistake of expecting quick results, and when they do not see money immediately, they give up. Passive income works like planting a tree. You prepare the soil, plant the seed, water it, and protect it. It does not give fruit immediately, but with time, it grows and becomes a strong source of income. This mindset will help you stay focused and avoid frustration as you build your financial future. In Kenya, one of the simplest ways to start passive income is through saving and investing small amounts of money consistently. Even if you only have 1,000 Kenyan shillings, you can begin. The key is discipline. Instead of spending all your money, you set aside a portion every month and put it into an investment that earns returns. Over time, the money grows, and the returns begin to feel like income that comes without effort. This is how many people slowly move from financial struggle to stability. Money market funds are one of the most popular options for beginners in Kenya. They are easy to understand and require very little effort once you start. You simply deposit your money, and the fund managers invest it in safe financial instruments like government securities. The returns may not be very high at the beginning, but they are steady and reliable. For example, if you invest 10,000 Kenyan shillings and earn about 10% per year, you will get about 1,000 Kenyan shillings without doing anything extra. If you continue adding money every month, the income grows steadily. Another powerful passive income idea is investing in shares of companies. When you buy shares, you become a part owner of that company. If the company makes profits, you receive a portion of those profits as dividends. In Kenya, many well-known companies pay dividends regularly. Even though the stock market may go up and down, long-term investors often benefit from both dividends and the increase in share value. This means your money can grow in two ways at the same time. However, it is important to learn the basics before investing so that you make informed decisions. Real estate is another strong source of passive income, but it often requires more capital. Owning rental property allows you to receive monthly income from tenants. In cities and towns across Kenya, demand for housing continues to grow, which makes rental income a reliable option. If you do not have enough money to build or buy property, you can start small by managing property for others or by subletting. With time, you can save enough to invest in your own property and increase your income. The internet has opened many new opportunities for passive income, especially for young people in Kenya. Blogging is one of the most accessible options. You can create a website and write about topics you understand, such as business ideas, farming, technology, or personal finance. Once your website starts getting visitors, you can earn money through advertisements and affiliate marketing. Although it takes time to build traffic, the long-term benefits are significant. A well-established blog can continue earning money for years with minimal updates. Creating content on video platforms is another growing opportunity. Many people in Kenya are now earning from videos by sharing knowledge, entertainment, or tutorials. Once your content reaches a large audience, you can earn from advertisements and brand partnerships. The best part is that a video you create today can continue earning money months or even years later. This makes it a powerful form of passive income, especially if you are consistent and focus on valuable content. Digital products are also becoming popular in Kenya. These are products that you create once and sell many times. Examples include electronic books, online courses, and templates. For instance, if you create a simple guide on how to start a small business and sell it for 500 Kenyan shillings, selling just 100 copies will give you 50,000 Kenyan shillings. The effort is mostly at the beginning, and after that, the product can continue generating income with little extra work. Affiliate marketing is another simple way to earn passive income online. Instead of creating your own product, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. This can be done through a blog, social media, or messaging platforms. Many companies offer affiliate programs and you can choose products that match your audience. The key is to build trust and recommend products that are useful and genuine. Savings and credit cooperative organizations, commonly known as SACCO, are also a strong option for passive income in Kenya. By saving regularly in a SACCO, you earn dividends at the end of the year. These dividends can be quite attractive compared to normal bank savings. In addition, SACCO provide access to affordable loans, which can help you grow your investments further. Many Kenyans have built wealth through consistent SACCO savings over the years. Government securities like treasury bills and bonds offer another reliable income stream. When you invest in these, you are essentially lending money to the government, and in return, you receive interest. These investments are considered safe because they are backed by the government. Although they may require higher starting amounts, they provide predictable income and are suitable for long-term planning. As you explore these options, it is important to understand that not all passive income ideas are completely hands-off. Some require occasional management, updates, or monitoring. For example, a blog may need new content from time to time, and rental property may require maintenance. However, compared to a regular job where you must work every day to earn, these income streams require much less effort once they are established. A smart approach for beginners in Kenya is to start with low-risk options and gradually expand. You can begin by saving in a money market fund while learning about other opportunities. As your income grows, you can diversify into shares, digital businesses, and real estate. Diversification is important because it protects you from losses and ensures that you have multiple sources of income. Discipline is the most important factor in building passive income. Many people fail not because the opportunities are not there, but because they lack consistency. Saving and investing regularly, even in small amounts, makes a big difference over time. For example, saving 1,000 Kenyan shillings every month may seem small, but over several years, it can grow into a significant amount, especially when combined with returns. Patience is also essential. Passive income does not grow overnight. It may take several months or even years before you start seeing meaningful results. However, once it reaches a certain level, it can change your life completely. You may reach a point where your passive income covers your basic expenses, giving you freedom to focus on other goals, pursue your passions, or spend more time with family. Another important aspect is learning. The world of money and investment is always changing, and staying informed will help you make better decisions. You can read books, watch educational videos, or follow experts in finance and business. The more you understand, the more confident you become in managing your money and growing your income. Avoid common mistakes such as chasing quick money, investing in things you do not understand, or putting all your money in one place. Many scams promise high returns in a short time, but they often lead to losses. Always take time to research and verify any opportunity before investing your money. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Building passive income also requires a shift in mindset. Instead of thinking only about spending, you begin to think about investing. Every time you receive money, you ask yourself how much you can set aside to grow your future income. This simple habit can transform your financial life over time. In Kenya today, opportunities for passive income are increasing, especially with the growth of technology and digital platforms. Even people in rural areas can access online opportunities using smartphones and internet connection. This means that anyone, regardless of background, can start building passive income with the right knowledge and determination. It is also important to set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your passive income. It could be paying rent, supporting your family, or achieving financial independence. Having a clear goal will keep you motivated and focused, even when progress feels slow. As you continue your journey, remember that every small step counts. Starting with 500 Kenyan shillings is better than waiting for the perfect moment. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Over time, your efforts will compound, and the results will become more visible. Passive income is not just about money, it is about freedom and security. It gives you the ability to handle emergencies, take opportunities, and live life on your own terms. In a world where financial challenges are common, having multiple income streams provides peace of mind and stability. In conclusion, passive income in Kenya is achievable for beginners who are willing to learn, start small, and remain consistent. There are many options available, from simple savings and investments to online businesses and real estate. Each option has its own benefits and challenges, but with the right approach, you can build a strong and reliable source of income over time. The journey may not be easy, but it is worth it. Start today, stay disciplined, and allow your efforts to grow into a future where money works for you instead of you working for money.